Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to batch pay bills in Xero. This is an incredibly efficient feature that allows you to process multiple bill payments at once, saving you valuable time instead of paying each bill individually. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your Xero account credentials. Type your email address and password into the fields provided, then click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your accounting tasks. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll find several menu options and you want to click on Purchases. This section houses all your purchase-related activities, including bills, expenses, and supplier information. After clicking Purchases, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Bills. This action will take you to a comprehensive view of all your purchase bills. You'll now be directed to your bills page where you can see all your purchases listed. This page serves as your command center for managing everything related to the bills you need to pay. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll be doing most of your bill management work. Once on the bills page, look for the Awaiting Payments tab and click on it. This tab filters your view to show only the bills that are pending payment, making it much easier to focus on what actually needs your attention right now. This filtering is essential because it separates bills that still need to be paid from those that have already been processed. From here, if you wish to make payment in bulk, you have two options. The quickest way is to click on the checkbox in the row heading, which will automatically select all the bills you have in awaiting payment status. However, if you prefer to be more selective, you can alternatively choose only specific bills you wish to pay or those within the due date. This flexibility is particularly useful if you're managing cash flow and want to prioritize certain payments over others. Once you've selected the bills you want to pay, click on the Make Payment button. This initiates the batch payment process for all your selected bills simultaneously. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a batch payment for multiple bills in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.